Hi, this is Dr. Nida with Keys of Health. Today I'm going to discuss a topic with you that is very close to my heart. It is very important to me. For the next 10 minutes, I want you to unplug from everything else and try to really be with me, stay with me. Traffic noise, phone calls, house problems, plumbing issues, job, neighbors, garbage. You go out to the parking lot and someone has crashed your car. Happened to me. Hustle and bustle of city life has no end. Add to that the distractions inside the house between television, internet, Wi-Fi, shortwave and microwaves from the oven, phone, and the antennas around the city. It's a recipe for disaster. The environmental pollution is taking a toll on human health unprecedented in history. This crowded life is really a recipe for madness. It affects your health in a way you can't even believe it. From your respiratory systems to your glands to your nerves, you name it, you're being hurt. There's no better way to put it, but that fast-paced, gadget-filled modern lifestyle is slowly murdering us. Many educated and intelligent people are choosing to live off the grid. They're moving out to the rural communities, choosing to live without television, computers, smartphones, and in some cases even electricity. Not all of us can do that though, but we still need to make some thoughtful choices. We need to offset the effects of this lifestyle by once in a while getting away from it all. It's a must. Disconnect. Take a chill pill, go to the mountains, go to the beach, go swimming, boat out into the lake, literally take a hike. Just escape, get away from the madness of this daily grind. Run away for a few hours, a morning, a day, and if you can, 2 to 3 days in a month. Smell the fresh air. Let your body calm down. Allow your mind to relax. You need it to have the peace within. Hear the birds, hear the wind. Let the fresh breeze from the ocean envelop you. You need this to reconnect with your inner self, to recreate your soul. This is why these are called recreational activities, recreating your inner being. You need them occasionally more now than ever before. You need a major change of environment, away from the crowd and noise of the city, with some peace and tranquility. It is crucial to your well-being. It slows you down to rest, relax, reflect, and reprioritize your life. Not only that, fresh air and sunlight has amazing health benefits as well. Let's discuss some of these health benefits. First, it improves learning. Breathing fresh air facilitates clear thinking and helps us to be more optimistic. The average brain is 2% of human body, but it requires 25% of all the oxygen in order to function properly. Students who study outdoors have clearer minds and report more productive study time. But we as adults also need that break. Second, it improves functioning of the lungs. Asthma and other respiratory issues are more common now than ever before. That is because of the environmental pollution and toxins we are exposed to practically all the time. Getting away from it is a rehab for your lungs. They need a break. Third, fresh air improves blood pressure and heart rate. It decreases anxiety and makes you feel happier. Just notice it next time. Even if you're not consciously aware of it, you're just feeling better being out in the middle of nowhere sometimes. Just taking a walk in the park, hiking up a mountain, you'll feel happier. It strengthens your immune system. You can fight off common cold and flu a lot easier. It helps the wound heal faster when you're out in the nature all the time. It is important in the growth, health, and proper development of children. It enhances the quality of your sleep. You will notice once you are out and about in nature, afterwards your sleep is going to be a lot better and more fulfilling. You will wake up fresher. It helps regulate your bodily functions and makes your systems work more effectively. That doesn't apply only to the respiratory system, like I mentioned before, but to digestive system, circulatory system, and basically your overall health. It improves. So, what is the big deal about fresh air? A perfect circulation with adequate oxygen means perfect health because air electrifies the whole system of the body. Just like a healthy adult needs proper food and right amount of fluids, they need adequate amount of oxygen in order to thrive, in order to achieve optimal well-being. That is about 6 pounds of oxygen daily. If you breathe air which is dirty and choked with pollutants, your body has a difficult time extracting oxygen from it, and as opposed to pure air. Fresh air is a big deal. There are companies out there, believe it or not, which are selling fresh mountain or ocean air, and people are buying them. Please don't buy them. Just drive off to the nearest place where you can indulge your senses for free. Just so you can appreciate, let's talk about what the fresh air contains. Let's talk about fresh mountain air first. Even visiting the mountain for less than 1 week can spike weight loss. High altitude also can decrease the appetite, making us feel fuller. Colorado holds the lowest rate of obesity anywhere in the US. The statement did not become true just because people have more hiking trails available. It's because the altitude in which they live promotes weight loss. If you are the ultimate couch potato and you don't want to give up your pizzas and your hamburgers, then go visit the mountains, and if possible, move there. Altitude can also help lower risks of cardiovascular diseases. Reduced oxygen helps to create new pathways for blood vessels for oxygen to flow. It also reduces the risk of dying from heart diseases. People, especially women living in high altitudes, are less likely to suffer from heart attacks. Being up in the mountain gives your lungs the chance to breathe in oxygen that is free from gases or pollution. The fresh air helps ease respiratory problems, including asthma. So for those of you who have allergies, being up in the mountaintop is better than taking Claritin. Honestly, I vouch for that. So that's about the fresh mountain air. Let's talk about fresh ocean or sea air. If you read British or American novels, classics, then you have surely read about incapables being sent to seaside to recover and regain their health. They were really onto something. Researchers show that being at the sea, under the sun, listening to the waves, breathing in the mineral-rich air, and sweating have unimaginable benefits on our health. Sea air is full of negative ions. These are charged particles abundant in sea spray, which research suggests improves our ability to absorb oxygen. Some studies indicate that they may help us to feel more alert. Bathing in the sea may offer relief for people with eczema or dermatitis. Studies show that the magnesium in seawater may improve the barrier function of the skin, so it becomes less dry and rough. You will notice that if you have eczema or dry skin and you visit a coastal area, automatically your symptoms will decrease significantly. Now, not to mention sun, sea, and sand are the best de-stressors. I personally enjoy nothing more than spending time by the water, and I always feel better leaving than I did when I arrived there. Don't underestimate 1 hour or a day or a weekend on the mountain or at the beach, in the jungle, desert, suburb, anywhere away from the city and town. Just get away, get some fresh air, peace, tranquility with all the attached benefits. Physical activity in the form of walking, hiking, swimming, you cannot put a price tag to these. These are treasures for your health because it contains goodness for your physical, emotional, mental, and spiritual well-being. Don't underestimate 1 hour walking at the beach. The amount of minerals such as phosphorus, magnesium, iodine that you get in 1 hour is the same you will get from a year worth of supplements. Go collect the treasures. Go collect these keys and unlock your health. Especially if you do it regularly as a routine, you will see tremendous benefits for your health. You will feel better, you will look better, and you will begin to be more productive, active, and begin to really find out your true potential. As always, be your best self and take care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you next time.